Now, when I say basic crochet projects, I mean basic stitch, basic pattern, basic colors, but even if it's not so basic, sometimes we just get really bored of what we create. But fear not, I'm here to fix all your problems. Well, maybe not. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have got some gems of advice for you today, and I cannot wait to get into the second part of how to spice up basic crochet projects. If you haven't seen the first one yet, maybe watch that first. Okay, story time. I was aiming to make one of these, and in my opinion, these are the most basic and predictable tops of the spring and summertime. So I proceeded to make the triangular cups, and then I thought, this is so predictable, and then I got bored. Then I flipped it upside down and said, hey, whatever happens, happens. And this is what happened. So I did something I've never done before, and let me tell you, this yarn was love at first sight. As you can see, these are the triangular cups that I started, and I just worked it upside down and planned for it to be a tube top. I made the decision that it was gonna be like a crisscross bag like this. Eventually, I added this little scrunch right here, which is something that I've never done before, but I wanted a bow. And I was like, what color should it be? I really thought that this purple mohair here was not gonna work at all. And now that I've done it, I wouldn't want it any other way. And what I just told you is a key example of the 3 things that I want you to keep in mind. First things first, use the fibers that you love. I can't speak for everybody on this, but the higher quality fibers are worth the pretty penny. 2, sometimes you need to flip the script. The script is the normalities of what you're used to and what you're supposed to do, but sometimes you just need to flip that script upside down, forget about what it says, and use your imagination. Think outside the box instead. 3, do not rush to finish, because while you're rushing, but you're also trying to be innovative, it gives no time or space for your creativity to blossom. Now let's get more specific. I had mentioned that I don't like any of the bags that I've crocheted. I mentioned that in my video, what to crochet in the spring and summer, link in my description. Attention to detail, my friends. Adding charms, embroidery, and edging around the bag, or even a fabric lining on the interior, there are so many ways to level up that basic bag to a bad bitch bag. If you have a basic crochet bag, simply picture it as the perfect blank slate for your creativity to come alive. Now I want to talk about pants, skirts, shorts, all things bottom. If you have pants or shorts, or you're planning to make them, add pockets. Even if you crochet 2 granny squares, which by the way, there are hundreds of different designs, and you slap them on the back of those pants and shorts, boom, you have 2 cute functional pockets. On any type of bottom you make, you can add elastic around the waistband to make it more stretchy. But if not, you can weave a drawstring through the waistband, or you can crochet belt loop holes. Let me ask you a question. Do you have a complete wearable crochet project, but it's boring or unflattering when you wear it? I want you to think about your favorite top or your favorite pair of pants. Do you ever stop to think about why you love it so much? I want you to take a second to think about it right now. Is it the way the pants you love complements your hips, or your favorite top, the way it shows off your collarbones? Whatever it is, I want you to incorporate the knowledge of what you know you love so you can actually make something that you love. Run that back if you need to. Something that I want to share with you guys that I love is a cute open-chested top that doesn't feel too revealing. And with that knowledge, I crocheted this top right here. This is the perfect example of how to spice up a crochet top. Let's break it down together. So the materials that I used for this top is a silk and mohair blend and also a cotton blend. So starting with this very top part, I did a single crochet combining the 2 fibers together, and then underneath the boobs, I still had the 2 fibers combined together, but I did a looser, more airy stitch with a bigger hook. I did a double crochet here. And for the very bottom of the top, I switched to only using the mohair and silk blend, and I made these really cute layered ruffles. So for the back panel, I actually did a rib stitch, so it's actually vertical instead of horizontal like this. And you can see that every other row sticks up. And for the back panel, same thing. I used both fibers here. I combined them, and then right underneath, for this low back part, I did this cage-like stitch, which really goes well with the sleeves. They're 2 different stitches, but they really complement each other, and they're the same fiber. And right beneath, I have these ruffles again, rotating from around the front side. And I cannot forget to mention this scrunch that is in the middle of the front. I feel like this design right here, it just makes the entire top. But after I did the scrunch right there, I ended up not weaving in my ends and just cutting them all the same length, because I feel like it it just adds something to it. And for everyone who said they want a tutorial for this top, I got you. But that being said, if I did all one color, all one stitch, and ignored the little details, this would be an insanely different top. All right, let's talk about stitches now. You can make a gorgeous work of art even if you use a single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, a basic stitch. With that being said, make sure you're using the correct hook size for what you're envisioning. I think it's pretty obvious. It kind of like goes without saying, but it's a good thing to keep in mind, you guys. But branching off of that, if you are bored of the basic stitches, maybe it's time for you to learn something new. Using a more detailed and complex stitch is the perfect way to make your piece stand out. And it's like, why not add a new skill to your pretty little collection? Do you guys ever feel unmotivated to crochet? Whenever I feel like that, I find myself asking questions like, what's wrong with me? And then I conclude that I'm just in a crochet block. But no, the truth is, you are just not excited, and the lack of passion is not sustainable in the long run. Maybe you've got some momentum going in the beginning, but once things get rough, you'll have yet another unfinished project sitting in the corner collecting dust. And I think we've all been there. Ladies and gentlemen, please hear me when I say that there is a tutorial for almost everything on YouTube for free. Use it to your advantage to make that dope piece. Let your imagination run wild. Take the time to add the little details in your crochet piece for whatever reason you want to do it for. Want to create something to sell it? Cool. Want to go viral on the internet? Want more Instagram followers? Cool. Want to create something to feel good in it? Fantastic. But the moral, the message of this video is that you are a great artist. You have what it takes to express yourself, and sometimes it just takes a little acknowledgement that, hey, I can actually do this. I can actually do whatever I want to do. And if you need inspiration for what to make next, I've already made those videos and they're linked down below. I hope this shifts your perspective on how to spice up basic crochet projects. And next week, we're coming out with a vlog, and I am so obsessed with what I'm creating next. Should I give you guys a hint? I'm gonna give you guys a hint. This is the hint. I love you all so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next Friday. Mwah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome to crochet gifts. Projects. Fuck. I was aiming. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my zipper's stuck. I'm just gonna take it off like this. Pretty little connection. Connection? Collection. Myself asking questions like, I'm so dehydrated. But the moral, it's okay, girl. You can freaking see the paper. Fuck. I know.